Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're going to talk about stains. Ew. Have you ever gotten thrifted clothes with like a mystery stain on them, or gotten lipstick on your shirt? I have a tea stain, I have a lipstick stain, I have some fruit. I have a fruit stain. We're going to try to get these out using the recipe that I found on CrunchyHousewife. She does natural foods, but I want to try getting out makeup using the same kind of recipe and see if it works. CrunchyHousewife says to use baking soda and regular dish soap to get the stains out. Let's try it. I've got my baking soda here. She said 2 parts dish soap to 1 part baking soda. I'm gonna stir this around and then we'll start applying it to our stains. Should I just stir it with my finger? These are my lipstick stains. I've got my goop. I'm going to get my goop and I'm going to start rubbing this in. Oh my gosh, it's like magic. I let that one set. This one's a little bit fresher. Whoa, totally works on makeup stains. Look at that. The makeup stains feel like they're coming up really nicely. So I'm totally excited about that. I'm going to do the natural food stains next. I did a cherry and I did iced tea. You can't really see the iced tea, but I'm going to pick it up anyways and see. CrunchyHousewife was using a toothbrush, but I didn't have any spare toothbrush. So I got a little stencil brush because I don't stencil. I just paint. Oh, it's coming up so good. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit, but I think the whole reaction that needed to happen has happened. The baking soda is abrasive, so it's like picking up the stains and like scrubbing them a little bit. And the dish soap is like has like a degreaser and desoaping agent. If you are afraid for your life and you do not want to put this in your the energy efficient HE washing machines, don't even worry about it. Just rinse it off with water, cool water, and then chuck it in a normal wash. That'll get all the soap off before you stick it into the washing machine. Mr. Remake has issued me a challenge. He gave me one of his shirts that has a creepy stain right here. He says he's trying to wash it. I'm going to try this new method because this stain has been set. So this is a more authentic stain removal sesh. It's hard to see. From doing the other ones, I know now that you don't need too much. I was squeezing soap out of my shirt forever. A little goes a long way. You guys, the stains are gone. I rinsed it. I dried it. I can't see the stain. The only thing I can see is because I know my shirt. I can see the tea stain. The tea stain didn't come out with the special goo, but it's hard to see where it was. That is pretty special. So I can recommend this method for makeup stains, for mystery stains, for food stains. And Mr. Remake with his weird shirt that had the stain you can only see in one direction, it's a lot lighter now. So I really like this method. Yeah. And if you find that nothing will get your stain out of your thrifted or vintage clothes, go ahead and do some sort of dye technique on them. I did a tea stain on some clothes. I'll put a link in the description box. I did some natural, what is this? I did some dyeing with onion skins. So you can always do some sort of shibori inspired, textury, fun dye technique over the top of your stained clothes too, to make it look artistic. If you'd like to see the original video from CrunchyHousewife, I'll put a link below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly DIYs. We'll save the world by making things. Bye. I'll splice that all together. It's gonna look seamless and magical.